Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you can easily resolve your Linksys Velop nodes keep going offline issue. Try all the steps available in this video. Let's start. If your Linksys Velop nodes keep going offline, then you need to ensure that your internet connection is stable. Connect the device directly to your modem and check for consistent connectivity. If the connection is stable, the issue may be with the mesh network. Remove the dust particles from the cables and put back the connection from the modem to the Internet/1 port of the parent node. Test the connection. If still not working, then proceed to the next step. You can perform power cycle of your Linksys mesh network. Here, you need to power off your nodes, including the main router and any additional nodes in the network. Disconnect the power cables. Wait for about 15 to 20 seconds. Power on your mesh nodes, starting with the main router and then any additional nodes. Wait for few minutes to fully initialize and stabilize. Check if the connection issues persist. Power cycling can help clear temporary glitches and restore stable network performance. Check the placement of your mesh nodes. They should be strategically located to ensure optimal coverage and minimal interference. Avoid placing nodes near electronic devices or thick walls that can damage the wireless signal. Other electronic devices such as cordless phones, microwave ovens, and Bluetooth devices can interfere with Wi-Fi signals. Keep these devices away from the router and mesh nodes. Also, ensure that your Linksys mesh routers are running the latest firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to performance issues. You need to update the firmware if needed. If all steps fails, consider resetting your Linksys mesh system to factory defaults and reconfiguring it using the Linksys app. If you've tried all the given tips, but still continue to experience dropping internet connection, consider setting up the parent node without using the Linksys app. Set up with the web browser process. This can resolve configuration issues that may be causing the connection problems. If you are facing any issue with your Linksys Velop nodes or you need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching the complete video.